Prayer is not a spare wheel that you pull out when in trouble, but it is a steering wheel that directs the right path throughout. Do you know why a car's windshield is so large and the rear view mirror is so small? Because our past is not as important as your future. Look ahead and move on. Friendship is like a book. It takes years to write but few seconds to burn. All things in life are temporary. If going well, enjoy it. They will not last forever. If going wrong, don't worry. They can't last long either. Old friends are gold. New friends are diamond. If you get a diamond, don't forget the gold. Because to hold a diamond, you always need a base of gold. Often, when we lose hope and think this is the end, God smiles from above and says, relax, it is just a bend, not the end. When God solves your problems, you have faith in His abilities. When God doesn't solve your problems, He has faith in your abilities. When you pray for others, God listens to you and blesses them. And sometimes, when you are safe and happy, remember that someone has prayed for you. Worrying does not take away tomorrow's troubles, it takes away today's peace. Thanks for listening.